Home for us is not just a space within walls, but it's a place where you feel safe, comfortable and happy. It is something which you would look forward after a long tiring day to spend quality time with your family. Hi, myself Abhinav Dubey, managing cloud products at Schlumberger. I have a small beautiful family, me with my wife Sonam and my parents.
Our favorite zone is the living room because we love the furniture, warm lighting, and it is apt as we always wanted. We spend a lot of our time in this area relaxing and watching TV. Every room is aesthetically very appealing. Each space has been purposefully designed.
When we first bought this house, we were really excited about the designing part of it. We wanted to have subtle colors in our room and ample storage in the kitchen. We also wanted a bar-cum-pantry unit. And that's when we realized that we needed an expert to help us. We started searching online, and that's how we came to know about Vallabh Interiors.
When we spoke to Prashant for the very first time, we could realize that he was able to understand our requirement. We wanted an elegant and spacious home with a lot of storage areas. He was able to provide us a lot of options within our budget without compromising on quality. Special thanks to Sonali for working with us in design process, incorporating our ideas and providing multiple options to select from. They have an excellent team of carpenter, POP, electrician and painter, and everyone has delivered their task within timeline.
Sonali even helped us in finalizing a small but confusing part of the process, like curtain and wallpaper selection, laminates, tiles, colors. We are really happy that our project was delivered on time in 2 months.
We always wanted a beautiful mandir where we can practice some spirituality, and it is exactly as per our expectation. Our puja room adds a lot of positivity to the entire house. We had a great experience with Vallabh Interiors. They were very committed to the project and punctual.
They executed the entire project within our timeline and as per our budget. We would highly recommend them to everyone.